afternoon routine with my toddler. Cheers! Yummy? Kaya po na lang. Sit down first. After na lang ng ice cream. You will play, ha? No sleepers here. Listen for this. Yummy? Hi guys! Kamusta kayo? So another video at sa video na ito is yung aming afternoon routine ng aking anak. So first is kumain muna kami ng ice cream. Ayan, sobrang messy na ng bata and si mama ay nakalimutang magdala ng tissue at wipes. So ayan. So kung saan siya nagtrapo guys? Sa aking leggings. So, kain muna kami before sila laro. So, ayan, nagsimula na silang maglaro. Ayan yung mga kasama niyang bata dito sa park. So, nag-iisang park lang to guys, dito sa amin banda. So, ayan. So, makikita mo talaga na maraming mga batang naglalaro. So, ayan. Hinayaan ko lang siya dyan guys. And always lang binabantayan. Ayan. So, ito yung afternoon routine namin guys. Kasi nga, pag nasa bahay kami, yun, magte-telepono lang siya. So, yan, nilalabas ko siya pag hapon. Ayan, ginagawa niyang baril ang payong. So, alam niyo to guys, na dito kami pumupunta pag hapon. And habang may bata, ayan, hindi yan siya uuwi guys. Maski gabi na. Ayan, basta may kalaro pa siya, go pa rin. So, ikaw na lang yung mahihirapan na pauwiin ng batang makulit na ito. So, ayan yung mga kasama niyang bata. So, this is around 5 o'clock nga ata, guys. And ayan, makulimlim na konti. Medyo paggabi na to, guys. So, ayan. Nahayaan ko lang siyang maglaro at tumakbo kasama yung mga bata. Siyempre, document yan ni mama guys kasi nga minsan ko lang makasama ang bata dito. And gusto ko na recorded lahat. One more. Hello, madlang people na. So, ayan, nag-mini-mission muna siya guys. Ayan. Ayan na. Hindi na siya matigil guys. So yan si kuya. Kausap niya. Ayan. Tingnan natin sila guys. Nag-uusap sila. There, yes. Bananas. You love banana? How about you? You love banana?
Yeah.
You, Tres? You love banana?
Oh, good news.
You love banana, baby? Kuya loves banana.
God, God.
Chicken. You love. He loves chicken. How about you? Do you love chicken? You love chicken?
Tastes like mango.
Yes.
Dito. Like Jollibee.
Kuya, kuya.
Lola. Looks like Jollibee.
Yes. Yes. What's that?
Over there in the corner, look.
Look, what is that? Is it a pansit? That's pansit?
That's Auntie!
Adi, okay.
Daddy! Look, who is that walking in it?
Where's your house?
My house is only stay here.
Where? Going there? Going down. Going down.
Going down over there.
Over there. Okay.
On the side.
Okay.
On the side.
Head, say head. Head, shoulders, go. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Come on, Jess, faster, faster. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders. So, ayun lang guys for today's video. Salamat sa inyong panonood. Please don't forget to like and follow our page. Thank you. God bless.